Oregon coast in a darling little town called Cannon Beach, which is about 2 hours west of Portland, where I actually went to graduate school a number of years ago. And after graduate school, I stayed in Oregon. I got my first job with the Oregon Dairy Council, where I went around the state giving nutrition lectures to teachers to teach them to teach kids nutrition. I had this little white Honda Civic. I called it my little milk carton. And boy, did I have some adventures. It was a pretty fabulous first job. And since then, I've migrated to Southern California, where I've had a private practice. And as I retraced my steps, I wanted to thank all of you who have been a part of my journey, and to wish you all a happy, wonderful summer filled with a lot of love and joy, and of course, smart eating.